Hi people, this is Jay from Small Hands Asian. So this will be a second review of another product that I've gotten to improve on my YouTube channel. So this is a wireless microphone system. So you can see this is a Saramonic UwMic9s Mini. Okay, it's a very long word, but well, yeah, I just want to show you something that I've gotten because I want to have a more free and easy to go with kind of wireless microphone so that I can walk around when I'm talking on the microphone instead of depending on a boom mic that may suspend over my head so that I can give a good talking head YouTube video. So I will say that this is like a rival to the Rode wireless Go 2, and you might ask, why didn't you want to get a Rode wireless Go 2? Because Rode wireless Go 2, from what I understand, it has some issues when you're using the microphone. Sometimes the sometimes the mic quality might go off at times. So as I was searching, I was looking for something that is a bit more more price competitive, and also something that is a quality wireless mic. So given much research walking around, so I decided to get this Saramonic wireless mic because first of all, it's really very small and it's really something that I'll love to get, and it's something that people in professional settings they will use. Yes, it might be a little bit overkill for my own YouTube video, but I just want to show something that you'll be great. Okay, so let's not waste any time, and I shall show you my first impression on this product, and also the unboxing of this thing. I can tell this is a really very amazing product, so let me take it away and show you how it looks like. So you already seen the cover. This is how it looks like. Isn't this amazing? This is like a kind of like a tactical look when you get your own product, and this is new. This is what you see when you get it new. And this product isn't really very I would say that it may be a little bit pricey for some people because it costs around like 300 plus Singapore dollars. I gotten this on something that we call it the Lazada e-commerce platform, so you'll be the Asian equivalent of the Amazon or eBay platform. So this is what you see. So I'm gonna open up so you can hear, whoa, you can hear the crackling of the opening, and this is what you see inside. So this is the instruction manual that comes with it. I think it's a pretty good quality that they get for new users who wanted to get this microphone system. So it's pretty good. Okay, let's put this away. I'll put it to the side, and this is how it looks like. And I open up. Wow, this is so gorgeous, isn't it? Okay, so what you're going to see over here is that, okay, this might be a myriad of things that this is what you see out when you first get this product. So I point it over here using my finger. This is one of the microphones, the wireless microphone, one of it. This is the second one, and this is the receiver. So you want to see how small this thing is? I show you my palm. Okay, then I lift up my left hand, my palm, and this is what you get. You see how small this thing is? Imagine you fit this behind your back and you have a lavalier mark that goes down your back or the front. So some of these wires you have for each pair of transmitter, you'll get a lavalier mic. These are some of the furry balls here that you can filter out any wind noises. This is the lavalier mic that comes with it. From what I can feel over here, this is like those kind of like the foam filters and some of the Velcro that can help to Velcro your lavalier mic to your shirt. And these are some of the see, these are some of the wires they can get. I have no idea what it is because this is my first unboxing, so let's put it away. There's other stuff, more wires, which I believe these might be some of the charging cables that you can get. And yep, some of these cables over here. So this is like this is one of the cables that you use to plug it into your receiver. So whoa, there's a lot of things, so let me put them away first. So let's put it away, and it's like some extra cables. I believe this is something that you use to connect this receiver to your camera when you need to get your sound from the receiver that goes into the camera. So let me explain a little bit more from what I can see. So here there are extra cables. Okay, in the future update, maybe I'll just update what you guys can see from this cable and how is my impression of this thing. So there's a lot of things around. Okay, so you can see this is the receiver. See how small this guy is, and you see you put it on your palm. This is perfect. And you look at this hot shoe over here. This is what you can get when you're going to mount it upon your Sony camera or any cameras that you have. So this is the hot shoe over here. yeah, so this is like the things that you get when you first get this product. I think this is a pretty good setup, and it actually comes in a very nice box that will also help you to keep your products in a very organized way. So I think this is not too bad of a buy. Yes, it may be a little bit expensive, but if you really put in the effort to go and get some of this get these things over here, because you see these things are so small, and you have these clippers, then you can clip it on the back. So from here you get these things, imagine you get it, put it on your back, and hang on, let me get the focus in. There you see, yeah, you see this thing. This is the stuff that you're going to put it at your back, or you put it at your front, depending on where you want to do it. So these are some of the cables. This is where you put in your lavalier mic to make sure that you can get through your shirt, and you can put it close to your mouth where you can clip on your shirt. So this is another one of my short reviews to show you how this new product looks like, what you get for this Saramonic UwMic9s Mini. So thank you for watching my video, and I shall see you in the next video.